Hi, I'm Kesia with Southern Cardinals Under the Roof series. We're here in Atlanta's East Lake community touring a new construction custom home. Listing provided by Keller Knapp. This home sits on almost half an acre, boasts 5 bedrooms, 5 baths on a full finished basement. This is quintessential Southern tradition blended with true modern luxury. Come take a tour with us under the roof. Guys, come take a look at this balcony. It is truly amazing. The views, again, this almost half an acre lot with these sliding glass doors from floor to ceiling. We've got these beautiful trees and foliage in the back. Again, almost half an acre lot. Very, very difficult to find in this community. East Lake, flat lots here in Atlanta. The views are amazing. You can see the skyline from the front balcony as well as the East Lake golf course.